What is tax? Monkey work at banana farm. Monkey is paid leaves for work. At the end of the week, Monkey earns 100 leaves. Monkey is happy. But actually, Monkey only receives 80 leaves because Monkey government takes 20. This is tax. Every monkey pays tax in some form, even if they don't particularly want to. Why do we pay taxes? Monkey government needs leaves to run the jungle. They use the leaves to fund goods and services for every monkey. Things like housing, hospitals, schools, police, firefighters, military, research, public transport, and even retirement. And monkey government can collect taxes in many different ways. Let's see. Income tax, sales tax, property tax, capital gains tax, corporate tax, inheritance tax, environmental tax, luxury tax, tariffs. Tax brackets. The more monkey earns, the more tax monkey pays. But monkeys often misunderstand. You only pay the higher percentage on the higher part of your income, not all of it. So if monkey earns 100,000 leaves, they don't pay 22% on all of it, only on the top bracket. How is tax collected? If monkey is an employee, government deducts automatically. But if monkey is self-employed, they must file a tax return. Deductions are work-related expenses. Things like uniforms, tools, training, travel, or donations. No. They must be work-related. You can't claim personal things as deductions. After calculations, if monkey overpaid, they get a refund. If underpaid, they owe more. If monkey makes suspicious deductions or forgets income, they may get audited. The government double-checks everything. They usually only do this if something isn't adding up. But sometimes doing taxes is just confusing. Mistakes happen. What happens if monkey doesn't pay tax? First comes warning, then penalties and interest. If monkey still refuses, government takes their leaves. Eventually, monkey may even go to prison. In the US, it's the IRS. In Australia, the ATO. In the UK, the HMRC. Every country has its own tax office. Some monkeys don't pay taxes, hey. Unemployed monkeys, baby monkeys, charities, and religious groups. But rich monkeys often avoid high taxes. They earn through stock, property, or dividends, which are taxed less than regular work. They can even deduct losses on property through something called negative gearing. Taxes also vary by country. Some have high rates like Finland or Japan, while others like Dubai or Cayman Islands have zero. Australia has some of the highest taxes. Creaky, mate. Even bananas were once a tax issue. Importers argued whether bananas were luxury or necessity. In some history, bananas weren't taxed whole. They were used to bribe officials. So how to make tax less scary? Make a budget, track expenses, and maybe hire a tax monkey to help. There are 2 guarantees in life: death and taxes. And maybe bananas.
Subscribe to this channel to learn about finance concepts.